Growing up, I was always very ashamed of my tired father. His rough hands were always covered in dark, dirty engine grease.
Dad, you missed my school play again. Why are you late?
I am so sorry, Maya. I had to work extra hours.
You always say that. Work is more important than your family.
Please try to understand. I am doing this for your future.
I did not listen to him. I was just very angry. I thought he only cared about his job at the factory. When I finally got into a good college, I was happy. I wanted to leave his dirty, quiet world far behind me.
I am so proud of you, Maya. Please take this envelope.
I really need to drive away right now. Goodbye. I closed the car door and drove away without looking back. He stood in the empty driveway watching me leave the house. I believed I did everything completely alone. I was very independent. I barely called him during those 4 years in the city. Years later, I was cleaning out his old, empty country house. I found a heavy metal box hidden deep inside his closet. I opened the dusty box and found stacks of old paper. They were hundreds of pay stubs from a late-night factory job. I never knew he worked 2 hard jobs every single day. There was a small yellow sticky note right on the top. It was written in his familiar handwriting, and my heart stopped. This money is for Maya's college. I will do whatever it takes. He did not miss my childhood because he loved working hard. He missed my school plays so I could have a future. Dad, I found the secret box. Why did you hide it?
I did not want you to worry about money, my sweet Maya.
I was so angry at you. I am completely sorry, Dad.
Please do not cry anymore, my dear daughter.
He hugged me tightly with those beautiful, rough, strong, heavy hands.
My beautiful daughter, your only job in this life was to dream.
Always remember the silent sacrifices that your loving parents make for you.